Mama Akwaba, wa friend me Adwa searching mestel now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusian for Black Rasta and then the wa pronata bemu akana do dia choma prenda da Mahama. Na Black Rasta ubeka se bi oye juma e wo media general ntino oye ndc ni. I really like Black Rasta. He's among friends or the few journalists or Ghana Hanuma or Kano Kare. Minim the party or what the but Black Rasta Kano Kare pa. Or my penda da Mahama no you are very man. NPP you are very man. Black Rasta edge or my penda da Mahama. Why are you disappointed in him? Now the video need much as my penda da Mahama Nakasa yes Black Rasta why you disappointed in him or you visionless. See why you're confused. Who left from the right? Who got talk about the crashing? Just in some of the kind of unity hunano. I didn't tell Black Rasta why you disappointed. My penda da Mahama animal. Black Rasta edges are the back when people for ya Nania Jehwani said, Nanado edit tax, His Excellency edit tax eto a year betting so. Bet no the tax no the two betting this in address and betting in the buffet because on mania you to know. At the gambling as you're going to not is on money in the future into Black Rastas na any day. No man penda da Mahama equal share youth young canny intia or say obey tax in fee a friend is betting so. No man penda da Mahama obey tax in every betting is not as also moon crans on moon bet. And you also know say ube creating Juma Amagana youth be when you be iron. Na bet na be tax every soon. Na mana. Then a Black Rasta just papa. They study. Negency who na African. Na Black Rasta dey and same way to Ghana food being so e ban imply it is my Black Rasta dey to Ghana and same Ghana food being so e man.
I have to disagree with Mahama, and sadly so. And I must say that I'm quite disappointed. Very much disappointed. John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, with all respect, you went to meet up with the youth. Before you went in there, you were briefed about the problems of the youth. Some of them you know already via experience and being in the country. The best thing you could tell the youth is that you will scrap the betting tax. I am so disappointed. One of the best things the NPP government did was to put hefty taxes on betting. Why? You want to raise a nation of bettors and gamblers? Is that what you want? The youth form the basis of every society. Even in the Bible, God says straight away that God calls upon the youth because what? The youth are strong. In every society that begins to fail, it starts from the youth. My brother, my sister, everywhere you go in Ghana, there is a betting center. We have more betting centers in Ghana than we have pipe-borne water pipes. I said we have more betting centers in Ghana than standpipes. We have more betting centers in Ghana than we have schools. We have more betting centers in Ghana than we even have human beings. If Ghana has a population of over 30 million people, trust me, there are about 60 million betting centers in Ghana. And all these, 99.9% are controlled by Chinese. I went to my village the other time. I don't know the last time I saw water coming from the standpipe in my village. There were 3 betting centers in my village. I was shocked. Controlled by Chinese. So, Mr. President, I am looking forward to you coming up. It's not too late to withdraw some of these things. Please, don't speak like this because you want to win votes. Think about the youth. If you decide to take away the taxes from the bet, What does it mean? You are encouraging the youth to go into betting. I think this is cheap propaganda. Mr. President, you are bigger than this. Even if you don't campaign anymore, many people think and believe that you win the elections. But utterances like this, Mr. President, will jeopardize your chances of becoming president again. I am utterly disappointed. Put religion aside. Put spirituality aside. Let's bring in morality. What kind of nation is this that is encouraging betting? My brother, forget about your religion. Forget about your spirituality. Let's bring in morality. Mr. President would have done better by telling the youth, you know what? We are going to open centers that will seek to close all the betting centers where you can get some kind of skill that will make you see betting as unattractive. Why? I don't want my children to bet. Do you want your children to bet? In my days, people look down on people who stake lotto. If you saw somebody walking around and say, oh, this is a lotto staker. It was hopeless people who went for lotto, true or false. What is the difference between this betting and lotto? Any nation that decides to hang on the vicissitudes of uncertainty. Hey, Black Rasta, say it again. Say it again. Not many people understand this. Say it again. Teach, Black Rasta. I said, any nation that decides to hang on the vicissitudes of uncertainty. Hallelujah. In short, and simply put, any nation that...
Way say, JDM is just confused. He's just a visionless president Ghana has ever had. Okay. And I went so ama poku or and what you say visionless or visionless. The in tennis, Black Rasta can review Ghana Fubin so a man reply.
My catch room say Kuma would actors na bibia ni ho aye different na omode bebre NDC party no because hwese obi abehwe obi ba free health SHS ama sabi oni bieni na no wote fase bon ne batima benya privilege akoprempe ene true a scholarship unyan or UK your doctor now wo begina public camera da also say ye to abama wo ma wo ba aban mu ye fidi obre ye cars e ma ye twi one selfish interest wo nipa ba no because of say wo no ye wo benyanti empempem edaachi eni suade hunu enka fom there be into omu provoke akan no more. Me talking about Ashanti, Bono, Infante, Easton. Me pacho matimase. Sa nipa na oti dwomu no. Wasam na wokae no o meto aba emma nipa no. Na wabeto card watum. Na ne ba no free SHS no sa opportunity na omonya no wobetwam. There be enti actress na mode mo were ahye omumu no. Me say mu provoke akanfo no more. Ha aba we ahwa se MPP mu omani ada ho na omotumi like abomu vote manfo beto omo no ho ban yie se woto one ya make sure so what one ye be kind one no sa ahwa me imagine 2016 akufo ado de